Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, my name is Carolyn Ann and my channel is a lifestyle channel where you will follow us on our journey to becoming debt-free as well as financially stable. As you can tell, I am still in a different location, so we're going to do our check-in for week 1 of Paycheck 1 of November. If you are interested in this type of video, please stay tuned. But first, I'd like to thank all my new subscribers. Hey fam, welcome to the team. And to all my old subscribers, hey fam, welcome back. And guys, excuse my nails, I did take them off. I'm trying to get them back healthy so that I can start doing my nails myself, saving the money. You will see a few changes in this budget this week, and there will be no cash stuffing. So let's get started and let's see how we did. So on our paycheck from November the 10th through the 23rd, in our expenses for week 1, $194.09 came out, which was an overage of $55.45. That should not have come out. My mom put a hold on her chiropractor until she got back from her vacation, but they charged it anyway. So we're going to have them roll that over to December because they should not have charged her for November. $168.07 for our car insurance came out, which was a difference of 1 cent. $71.40 for Google Fiber came out. $50.64 for our homeowner's warranty came out. $21.79 for Netflix came out. And $16.15 for Audible came out. That came up to a total of $522.14, leaving us a balance of $44.62 that will be rolled over to week 2. In week 1 of our cash envelopes, we spent $158.48 because I did not budget in for Thanksgiving. So that's why we spent so much on groceries, $75 in gas, $15 in lunch, $15 in personal, nothing in miscellaneous, and nothing in household. That came up to a total of $263.58, leaving us a balance of $256.52 to be rolled over to week 2. In week 1 of our expenses, we took that $1,186.76 of our income, minus the $522.14 for our expenses, minus the $263.58 for our cash envelopes, and minus the $100 for our sinking fund, leaving us a balance of $301.14, which will be rolled over to week 2. So fam, as you can tell, that was short and sweet. We did have some changes. We did not stuff our cash envelopes or sinking funds last week. The only thing that we had in our cash envelopes was groceries and gas, and that came out of the account. We don't use cash on that. Also, if you notice that the gym fee was not in there, we did put our gym fee on hold until we decide to go back to the gym or till our income increases. We will be getting rid of a few other things. We have not sat down and decided what we're going to get rid of yet. However, I may get rid of my Audible, which that keeps me sane at work. Usually when I don't talk to a lot of people at work, I try and do my work and stay out of all the drama that goes on. So I'll put my book in my ear just to keep me sane, because I don't have to do a lot of communicating while I'm working unless there's some issues that is going on and we're working on something together. And there's only 3 of us, but that's where the drama comes in. The other 2, I can't explain it. One day I'll do a sit-down video of it. But that is where we stand. If you've enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. I greatly appreciate it, and it will help my channel. And if you stuck around this long, please consider subscribing and joining the family. We'd love to have you, but that is all for this video, fam. Please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification button so that you'll be notified next time I upload a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, fam.